Hi everyone, here we've got OnePlus 8T and let me show you how to reset network settings on this device. So first of all, let's open the list of apps and enter the settings. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom and find the system. And as you can see here, we've got reset options, so let's enter. Now let's tap on the very first option, reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. And now your device is telling you that it will reset all network settings, including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So if you're ready, click on reset settings. If you've got a pattern or a pen, then enter it to confirm. Tap on reset settings. And as you can see, network settings have been reset successfully. So that's all. This is how to reset network settings in your OnePlus 8T. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.